Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as always I'm here in amongst the shelves taking a look to see what's back in stock for your classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what I found. Right, first up, part number 040367, the clutch roller cage. You can get this for £37.28 including VAT. Then we've got the HT plug lead and cap assembly, part number 062263, and that is £10.02 including VAT. Back in again, the electric start conversion kit from Norton for the Commando with a positive earth, part number 067287, that is £2,368.80 including VAT. Miller's universal brake fluid, dot 4, that's a 500ml size, part number 132061 is £10.02 including VAT. Dual throttle twist grip, that's part number 313/2NG, is £83.28 including VAT. And finally the twist grip for the genuine AMOL type bars, that's part number 016658, is £115.04 including VAT. And if there's anything that I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know if it's back in stock or available right now, take a look on the Andover Norton website. It is linked in the section below. And until next week, thanks ever so much for watching and safe riding.